Hello, this pen drawing is presently at CSU San Marcos College of Humanities, Arts, Behavioral and Social Sciences, Dean's Office, Student Art Exhibit in room SBSB 4115 from August 25 to August 26. The prompt was to draw what I was feeling at the time with just a black ink pen. I started with an elongated bean-like shape at the center, followed by the petals, small hearts, triangles, large hearts to encapsulate the center, laurel leaves, and so on. As I sat in the studio and focused on my thoughts and feelings, experiences, challenges, training and coping mechanisms in dealing with everyday life to symbolize my own emotional well-being and quest for resiliency. The cluster of pebbles formation at the base was a reminder of my 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. My training and certification helped me hone on building a solid foundation and character. The pebbles are also reminders of my frequent and consistent low-tide walks at Torrey Pines State Reserve, La Jolla, California. The arrows at the right are my symbolization of energy I generate in my daily interface at home, work, school, and other places I travel to. The bidirectional up, down, left, and right arrows are my way of visualizing the energies I sense and receive from the universe and my loyal and trusted family and friends. The laurel leaves remind me of daily challenges, successes, compromises, positive and negative interactions and perceptions. Its leaf is woven into my daily life. The feather to the right represents my dreams and my collection of dream catchers. I believe if I keep my dreams close to my heart and truly believe with my heart and soul, I am capable of turning them into realities. The flowers to the left remind me of lantanas and their distinct scent from my childhood days in the Philippines and nature's way of reminding me of my humble beginnings. Am I still listening to my heart? What will make me smile and happier today? Stay tuned and explore with me. Thank you for watching.